Oh, got a drill. Finally, I can throw the old one in the bin. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with an unboxing video. This time I've been asked to do some videos for B&Q, but that's by the by. This is actually the Ryobi one, well, for the 18 volt one system, the 18 volt percussion drill, basically a hammer drill to you and me. This comes as, there's two that, alright, it's not sponsored by B&Q in no way at all. I'm just kind of doing little bits for them. But there's two of these come out with Ryobi, exactly the same drill. If you get it on B&Q, it's £75 with one battery. You get the kit with a bag, which is in here. It's 85 quid. Not bad really, and to be honest, my old drill is looking a bit tired. And one of these I got the similar sort of thing with Black & Decker. This battery pack is absolutely kaput. So I was thinking about changing the batteries in these in a video, but no, I decided not to, and this just definitely needs to be retired. It's a cheap enough power drill. I have a hammer drill already, but this is part of the Ryobi one system. You can basically use the same batteries on lots of different things. So let's get inside it. So we have lots of gubbins on the sides and whatever. If you've got a 4mm screw, it can go 32mm deep. Okay, but you can do 440 of them. If you've got a halter drill, which is 13mm deep, no, 30mm wide, 55mm deep, you can do 165 of them. I don't know how they figure these things out, but it's by the by, really. I mean, this comes with a 13mm chuck on the end, completely keyless chuck, which is nice. Get inside the box, which is... right, this is the last time you'll see the box. Inside you get a nice little bag. Grey and green, but you can see it. Nicely zipped up, two handles. It does seem quite nice. Tiny bit of piping on there, nothing over the top. Box inside with some more cardboard. Disclaimer for this is I have already been inside to take the bags off. What you get here, this is the only problem. It's packaging, which is good, but it won't come out the bag properly. There we go. So, bag done. It's quite a nice bag, to be honest. So it's not too bad. Actually, it do quite well as a lunch bag. Okay. I don't have that much lunch anyway. So we have in full instructions. We have the usual: be careful, don't drill yourself, don't lick the battery, don't do whatever. And then it's mostly pictures. Shows you there's the connector on there, the actual drill, the battery and the charger, what to do. So you just follow the instructions, which is quite easy to do. And more bits in there. Full specifications if you ever need it. It was at low speed, it'll go 6,500 IPM. I thought it was RPM. I thought it was 550 RPM. Okay, whatever. Is it inch per minute? No idea. So we have that there. The battery and charger, lithium batteries. Two of on this one. The full list of Ryobi stuff that these batteries can click onto, I suppose, which is nice. I suppose if anything goes wrong, there is a good system around just to change the battery, get more batteries for your stuff. You even have lawnmowers. I don't think these would be part of that setup, would they? Now, they never have to have sort of battery on it, because they've got bigger batteries on here. 4 amp hours battery. Instructions on how the charger works, which is dead easy. So I'll basically try and open this up without killing everything. So this is what you get in the kit, which is the R18PD3-215SK. Comes basically with 2 batteries. I mean, these batteries are 1.5 amp hours, which means basically if you're doing something which uses 1 amp, it will take 1.5 hours to flatten the battery. That's quite nice, since this other one is an 18 volt, but these are only 1 amp hours battery, and they're a pain in the backside. Clip that off, and then you get it back on again. That's the only problem with this. These on, and that's it. They are quite easy to do. LED on the front, doesn't stay on long enough. I've got a screwdriver drill that I got ages ago, which that stays on for a lot longer. You can just press it and the light comes on, just a little bit. You've got plenty of settings on here. You've got a bit on there for just for drilling holes, probably into wood, a screwdriver setting because it's a screw, and a hammer drill setting for hammer drilling. 2 speeds, 1, 2, nice and speedy. Let's see, it's got a reversible action as well. You press that in all the way across there. We'll undo. I'll hold that for safety, well, my safety at least. There's a chuck end in. You push that across, opposite way. Does that just show you on the side there? Arrow, so it will be unscrewing. Arrow in will be for screwing. Well, yeah, for want of a better word. So it comes also with a nice reversible chuck screwdriver bit with a 6 flat blade and a P7, is it PZ2 Phillips posi drive? Yes, sort of bit there. There's actually, to be honest, what gets me with this and putting that with there is they've managed to put these little rubber bits on here, and I thought they were to do with just covering over certain bits that are going to get damaged, because this bit's metal, this bit's plastic, a lot of rubber around here, so it's not slippable. But these bits are actually for keeping it steady while it's on the side. It's quite nice. I don't know whether or not I can remove bits to redo the, yeah, do something with the motor. Because once the bushes, when the bushes run out on these, you should be able to replace them. But I think you'd have to remove all the screws, get the right bushes for this, or buy a new drill. But it's actually not too bad. Going back to the charger, we have one very easy to use charger, standard UK socket. I'm sure there'll be other ones out there for the rest of the planet. So I plug that in, indicators on the front there, I turn it on. Hooray, there's a red light come on. As simple as that. So what I do is get my battery. It's not it's not a case of putting this into there. The older system with the disc gubbins was you'd slide it on. I'd drill that to the wall, to be honest, and then I could just slide on and then charge. But these are quite heavy batteries, but they're a lot less powerful than that. I was surprised they're only 1 amp, 1 AH. But this, you just get this and put it over the battery, which I'll show you sideways, over the battery. It clicks in place. That's flashing to say it's working. That's flashing green to say it's charging. That will eventually stop when it's full. So it's not fully done. When they're both flashing, you've got a problem. When one's flashing, it's good. That means it's, well, yeah, it's, actually, was it flashing? It's good. Why is it flashing red means it's good? Maybe one flashing red means it's completely flat and just hang on a minute, maybe overheated. So to take it back out, 2 buttons, one there, squeeze in, remove out. Quite really lightweight, really nice lightweight. So the battery tech in the past few years has definitely come on. So keep going. The charging, flash, 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 it's good. Yes, because that's that bit to start with, and that's gone over to here, which is also good. It's charging. These were virtually fully charged when I got them anyway, hence that is actually quite good. That. Let me check something. This, I don't recommend doing this at home, but I'm going to put it on drill setting. Power 2. I'm going to try and stop this with my hand. This is how stupid I am, right? You ready? Ow. There's a lot of power in this. There's a hell of a lot of power. I mean, I used to do that to undo. Beautiful. See? No burns, just a little bit of lines on there. I'm professional. Don't try this at home, kids. Or get a parent to do this for you. So it is a really nice sized, same size of what my older one is, except, let me put it on the line there, the batteries are a lot bigger. Same size chuck, 13mm, but this has had a lot of wear. I've fitted bathrooms, kitchens, decking, all sorts of stuff with that, and it's about time it started to retire. The drill's fine, but it's just the batteries that, yeah, don't want to replace those, but got this anyway. So the Ryobi, yeah, the Ryobi one, cordless hammer drill. It says percussion, but it's not. It is a combi drill, to be honest, because it has different stuff on there. You can do hammer, you can do... I'd recommend if you're going to do something through a brick, you would use a corded... I always use a corded drill anyway. You have a torque setting on here, which if I put it onto there, I can hold it, right? That's the torque setting. Put it round to 18, yeah, 24. It is holding. I am holding it. But I think the batteries are going a little bit low because it needs charging. It is pretty good. Ow. Yeah. Test of destruction. Here we go. But this is my new drill, going from orange onto a green nicely. Big thank you to B&Q to supplying this one as we speak. So, like and subscribe. I do actually quite recommend this. It's quite pretty good. I mean, yeah, granted, it's just a drill. Everybody needs a drill. Everybody needs a little screwdriver, different sizes, different whatevers. Yes, for different things you're going to do. DIY around the house, absolutely brilliant. So this is going to be my first, my number one drill for the house. Anything more than that, I've got better ones for corded stuff anyway. So for portable, brilliant. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Consider being a patron, consider donating something, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.